Well, let's raise our special guest up today. I'm Dr. Bryce Heffington, and joining us today, if you've seen the previous video on the YouTube or the Facebook page of Heather Heffington getting the BlephEx and iLux 2 or iLux squared, this is her mom, Bonnie, my grandma. Say hi to everyone, Bonnie.
Hi, everyone.
So Bonnie has had some dry eyes for a little while, some mattering and stuff that's happening in the morning, and we're going to do the BlephEx and the iLux squared, also known as iLux 2. Treatments to kind of help open the meibomian glands up, get the tear film flowing a little bit more, and help the eyes feel significantly better. So let's begin. I'm just going to get the little BlephEx tips soaking in the little antibiotic hypoallergenic foam. And while we're kind of waiting on those, we numbed Bonnie's eyes up a few moments ago, but we do want to talk about some new and exciting stuff coming on the horizon because we're able to soon actually map the meibomian glands and the oil glands and actually measure the percentage of how healthy they are. It's not with this instrument, but it's going to be very similar to what you would see on like infrared cameras, thermal imaging, all that interesting, fascinating stuff. So we're going to talk more about that in the next month or so, but get ready for some pretty cool space age information to see how healthy your oil glands are. It's called meibography. The actual name of it is. So now we're just going to get the little Q-tips ready. Is that headrest okay for you, Bonner? Do you want to come up or down, forward or back? Or? Okay. Well, we're just going to start with your right lower eyelid. It's just going to be a spinning Q-tip device. All I need you to do is look up to the ceiling as high as you can go. Just keep looking up while this just kind of skirts along the bottom edge of the eyelid. Just kind of go clockwise, then counterclockwise.
Ooh, my eye itch.
Yeah. It's a little bit of a tickly sensation, itchy feeling.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Now just look down toward your toes. We'll do the same thing to the upper eyelid. You just keep looking down for us. And keep looking down. And that's it. And then we'll just exchange the little tip devices out and go over to the left eye. Big shout out and a big thank you to Mark streaming on YouTube for us, also known as my dad, and Montana for streaming on Facebook for us, also known as my cousin, and Heather in the background being our cheerleader for today, also known as my mom. Now we'll just do the left eye. So you just tilt towards me, Bonnie, and then just look up to the ceiling as high as you can go. Keep looking up. Excellent. And then just look down toward your toes and we'll go get that left upper eyelid. That's all there is to it. Yeah, for the scrubber portion. Bonnie's had cataract surgery years ago, and just in comparison, this is not near as invasive as cataract surgery. Would you say?
No, not at all. But my cataract surgery was wonderful.
Yes, and we're really glad it turned out as excellent as it did, for sure. So now we'll just switch to the iLux squared, also known as the iLux 2 device. So with heating these meibomian glands up, we're soon going to be able to start imaging and measuring and seeing what the percentage of it is. It works kind of like a golf score for how healthy your oil glands are. But we're going to do a video on that later and talk more about it. This is just kind of a sneak preview for it. So we're just going to heat those oil glands up. We're going to start with the right lower eyelid. All I need you to do, Bonnie, is lean your head back, look up as high as you can go. And keep looking up for me for a few moments here. And go ahead and just close your eyes and relax. This little device is going to warm up to about 38 degrees Celsius, 100 degrees Fahrenheit in just a few moments. It'll take it a little bit to get there though. There it goes. Try that again. There we go. It's almost up to temperature. Does that feel okay to you currently?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right, timer started now and it's officially going. Ten seconds in. And 20 seconds in. 30 seconds in. And that's 40 seconds. So now we're just going to shift to this little mini massager sequence and really push all that hardened oil that's now been melted down to the surface. And that's all it takes for one eyelid. We just do that upper, lower, and upper, and then that's it.
That was painless.
Yeah. Pretty easy. We'll just do the right upper eyelid now. So now just
Turn over.
you can just go straight ahead for the right eye. When you go to left eye, we'll tilt you towards me. But now just look down toward your toes,
Oh, okay.
low as you can go for us. And just go ahead and close your eyes and relax. Timer started here too. Does that feel okay?
Uh-huh.
Okay. "20 seconds in. And 30 seconds in. And 40. Then we'll just move to the massager sequence and push all that oil out. Very good. One eye down, one to go.
Okay.
This is pretty exciting to do this on our first live stream event. New stuff.
Painless to me.
That's good. Did you feel like that the scrubber device tickled at all, or?
But yeah, I could feel like in the corner of my ear, I feel a little tickling, like it was
Yeah.
scrubbing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like the eye's going through a car wash.
Yeah, kind of.
Kind of, sort of. Now, just tilt towards me. We'll do the left lower eyelid. Look up as high as you can go. And just keep looking up. So let's roll that lid a little bit. There we go. And just go ahead and close your eyes and relax. So what y'all are seeing on the screen right now is just some thermal imaging. If we wanted to take videos or pictures, we can as certain glands open, like that one that's kind of opening up to the left over there. But when we're able to image the meibomian glands, you can actually see down like tubes of oil, like how healthy they are. You just have to flip the lids in order to see it. "30 seconds in. And 40. And we'll just push all that nice melted oil to the surface. There's a really large oil gland over to the right that opened up, if y'all can see that over there. Pretty cool stuff. Okay. Last eyelid. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Look down toward your toes. Just keep looking down. There. Okay. There we go. Okay. And just close your eyes and relax. Timer started. And 10 seconds in. And 20 seconds in. "30 seconds in. And 40 seconds in. Push all that nice melted oil to the surface. That's it. All said and done.
Great.
Got a lot of good oil out, and there's a really neat picture I was able to get on your left lower lid. There's like a big old oil bubble over there. It was really cool the way that gland, among all these others that opened up.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, you'll feel the difference on that for sure. It'll take a few days or a few weeks before it really starts to dial in, but it's going to make a huge difference and hopefully not as much mattering for you in the morning.
Great.
Okay. Well, if you like this video and this live stream on YouTube, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell for more notifications. And on Facebook, go ahead and like the Heffington's Facebook page to stay up to date on the latest eye content learning information we release. I'm Dr. Bryce Heffington, and we'll see you next time.